The 2019 Ford Mustang GT. The Ford Mustang has a rich history that dates all the way back to the 1962 Ford Mustang I two-seater concept. It wasn't until mid-1964 that it was introduced in production form, just 2 weeks after Plymouth introduced the first Barracuda, and has been in production ever since, with the 6th generation model, the model you see here, being introduced in 2015. For one reason or another, we haven't had a chance to get our hands on a 6th gen model, but all that has changed now, and we happen to be graced with the 2019 Ford Mustang GT Convertible. With the bright green pony car sitting in our parking lot, we couldn't wait to drive it. And, despite the fact that we had a whole week to get acquainted, we got right to putting the GT Convertible, and its 5.0-liter V8 to the test. Does it compete well with the Chevy Camaro Convertible? What about, on the other end of the spectrum, the BMW 4 Series Cabriolet? Well, this is our experience and what we thought about it. Strap in folks, this is going to be one long ride. Ford Mustang GT Convertible exterior design. Like other convertibles on the market, the Mustang GT Convertible is identical to the couple from which it is derived. It features the same sporty front end with a big massive radiator grille that serves as home for the pony emblem. The corner vents have integrated fog lights that lend a more elegant look to the front. That elegant look helps to make up for the air dam below that's half open and half plastic. The bubbly hood up above, however, blends in well with the sexy headlights, while the vents on the hood add a hint of aggressiveness. There's no denying that the Mustang GT Convertible is a looker from the front, but how does the side profile hold up without the classic coupe roof in place? The side profile carries the same general look as the couple below the beltline. However, with the convertible top down, the Mustang GT Convertible has a weird, elongated look to it. It's simply because of the lack of B and C pillars, and it is a little hard to get used to when you're used to looking at a coupe. I should also point out that with the top down, it becomes painfully evident that the Mustang GT has a flatter stance to it than the models that came before it. A small rake toward the rear would give the convertible model a more dominating stance, that's for sure. Outside of this, the Mustang GT is very attractive even as a convertible. We're not a fan of the weird smooth area in the upper body line above the rear wheel well, but that's easy enough to get over. The rear end of the Mustang GT Convertible is everything you'd expect it to be. It matches its coupe brethren as you'd expected, and we're still quite fond of the triple-element rear taillights. It is a little weird that the license plate recess is nearly identical to the radiator grille up front, but we're just nitpicking at this point. With the top down, the GT looks very sporty for a convertible from the back, and, at night, with the top up, you might not even realize that it's a convertible if you're not paying attention. There is a sporty diffuser-like element down below, and we have to praise Ford for its unique placement of the reverse light. It's a great design cue, and it's in a place where you don't even notice it. How big is the Ford Mustang GT Convertible? The Ford Mustang is considered a midsize car and measures 188.5 inches in length, making it 0.2 inches longer than the Chevy Camaro and 5.8 inches longer than the BMW 4 Series. As far as width goes, the Mustang GT Convertible measure 81.9 inches wide, significantly more than the Camaro Convertible at 74.
To read the full article, check the link in the description. If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.